In this video we will talk about 6 qualities women absolutely love in men, so not wasting any time, let's start the video. Number 1. Mystery. Women love the idea of discovering new things about their men over time. Don't try to act mysterious. Just don't give away all of your stories straight away. Sometimes it's good to leave her wondering. Number 2. Humor. Funny guys are the most popular among girls. Who doesn't like a guy who can lighten up the mood a little and make people feel comfortable around him? If you can make her laugh, half the battle is won. Just don't act like a clown. There are levels to being funny. Number 3. Confidence. As cliché as it may sound, a confident man makes women go weak in the knees. There's something they find very attractive about a man who's certain and unapologetic about who he is and what he wants. Number 4. Spontaneity. Women find spontaneity and unpredictability incredibly attractive. Who doesn't like some excitement and adventure in life? They want a man who doesn't need to make plans. Number 5. Emotionally secure. Women want a man who's happy with himself and someone who doesn't need constant attention. A man that walks his path and is emotionally secure no matter the circumstances. Number 6. Being well-dressed and well-groomed. You need to keep yourself clean, presentable, and well-groomed at all times, especially when you meet her. Women love men who spend some time on their looks and believe in looking good.